So one of the most common things that happens when people buy a solar system is their usage increases. And that's typically because most people are so excited that they just got a solar system and their power is so cheap that they end up utilizing more of it. That's pretty common. And things that will increase your power consumption over time are adding a hot tub, adding an electric car, potentially doing your laundry more often, using a dryer. It can be, changing to an electric stove, electric heats, adding a pool, heating your pool with electricity. All these kinds of things will increase your usage. But just the mentality that because your power is free, you can use more power. It's true, your power is now free with a solar system. That being said, just from an environmental perspective, keeping your usage low, sizing a solar system as small as you can to cover your usage, it's definitely best if you can accomplish that. I've had clients who have called in and said, oh, my electricity bill went up, and I've gone through a series of questions, and one of the most common questions I ask is, has your son or daughter come home from college, or have you had a tenant move into a property, to move into the property? Have you done any sort of additions to the property? Of course, I ask, have you added a hot tub, a pool, air conditioning? But it's important to note that if just having your kids home from school, from college for a month or two is going to increase your usage from more lights being on, more laundry being done, potentially heat or air conditioning being on for longer because of that. And that's an important thing to note.